Welcome to the push-button infrastructure with Liqid and Digital Rebar demonstration. First, we pick our fabric devices in the RackN Portal. Next, we pick our Liqid action, Compose. Pick your post-install software routine. And finally, we pick our operating system. Now, let's execute our workflow and have a cup of coffee. As you can see in the Liqid UI, GPUs are dynamically attached to the host. Next, the server reboots to begin install. And now the post-installation executing takes place. Finally, let's confirm that the GPUs are attached. Bare metal servers composed with GPUs in a few clicks with Liqid and Digital Rebar bring performance and power to your workflow. Can your current infrastructure do this?